Hello friends, let's look at 5 easy word problems on addition so that you are able to understand and get the concept of addition for word problems. So let's go through them one by one. So the first problem is Lucy went to a grocery store. So some person named Lucy is there who went to a grocery store. She bought 12 packs of cookies. So she bought 12 packs of cookies. 12 packs of cookies. Let's say the cookies look like this, and she bought 12 packs, right? And 16 packs of noodles. Let's say the noodles pack looked like this, and she bought 16 such packs. How many packs of grocery did she buy? Now when they say grocery, they mean cookies and noodles, right? She bought only two kind of things, cookies and noodles. So how many packs of groceries did she buy in all? So as she bought only cookies, let me write down here cookies and noodles here. So total, if we have to find the total, then we will add both the quantities. We'll add 12 packs with 16. So 12 plus 16 we have to perform. So how will we do 12 plus 16? First we'll add 6 with 2, which is 8. 1 with 1 is 2. So 28 total packs she bought. So we are done with the first problem. Let's look at the second problem. In the second problem, Rodan went to a pet shop. So there's some guy named Rodan who went to a pet shop. Okay. He bought 15 goldfish. So he bought 15. Let's say this is the goldfish. He bought 15 of them. 7 blue fish. Okay, let's say this is blue fish. He bought 7 of them, and 3 packages of fish food. 3 packages of fish food, right? These 3 items he bought: 15 of goldfish, 7 of blue fish, and 3 packages of fish food. How many fish did he buy? Now the question is, how many fish did he buy? Right? So the answer will be, we will have to add all of them. Do we need to add all of them, or we need to add only some of them? Now you have to understand fish food. Fish food is something he has bought so that he can feed the fishes, which he bought here, 15 goldfish and 7 blue fish. So fish food is not fish. So the fish is goldfish and blue fish. So he bought 15 plus 7 equal to 22 fishes. 22 fish, right? Here the important point was that 3 packages of fish food. This is not fish. These are the packages of fish food which he will give to the fish so that they can live. So the answer is 22. So you have to read very carefully what's given in the question. Only then you can answer it correctly. Okay. And let's move on to the next problem, where he says, I read 21 pages of my English book yesterday in just 45 minutes. So first he talks about yesterday. Let's say this is yesterday, what he did, and let's say we will divide this place into two parts, yesterday and today. So yesterday he read 21 pages of some English book in just 45 minutes, right? He read 21 pages. Today I read 117 pages. Today he read 117 pages. What is the total number of pages that I read? So yesterday he read 21 pages. Today he read 117. So total, how much total he read? 21 plus 117. So how will we perform this addition? Let's write down it in this form so that it looks simple. 7 plus 1 is, I'm writing here, 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 138 total pages he read. The important point to note here is that this information, 45 minutes, this is redundant information. Redundant means it is not required. This is just a useless information they have given just to confuse you or just make you look the problem bit difficult. So you have to always shunt out the redundant information. This has no meaning for solving this problem, right? Only 21 pages and 117 pages. This is the information which is required to answer the question. So you have to discard the important point we learn here is discard the redundant information. First you have to figure out what is redundant information in the question and then discard it, right? It is just to confuse you. Next, moving on to the next problem. Let's move on to the fourth one. In a school there are 542 girls. Now he talks about a school. Some school is there. School has usually girls and boys. So let's say this is a school here. Let's draw a diagram, some beautiful diagram, right? Let's say this is a school and it has some girls and some boys. How many girls are there? 542, sorry. And how many boys are there? 387. How many pupils? So pupil means, when they use the word pupil, means boys and girls both. Both boys and girls mean pupil when they use the word pupil. Or sometimes they can use the word students. How many total students are there? Or they can say how many total girls and boys are there, right? They can use different words. So if your vocabulary is good, you will easily understand what's the meaning of pupil. So you should inculcate the habit of reading as much as you can so that your vocabulary becomes good. So now to find the answer, we have to add 552 with 387. So we'll go like this: 542, 387. So let's add them. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 4 is 12, but here 2 will come, 1 will go here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 929 is the answer for total pupil in the school, or total number of students in the school. Let's move on to the next problem. So the next problem is Linda has 34 candies. So some girl named Linda is there who is having 34 candies. Some other boy named Shlo has 128. How many candies do they have together, right? So let's say Linda has 34 candies and then Shlo is there who has 128 candies. How many total do they have? So what will we do here to find the total? We'll just add them. Add 34 with 128, so we'll get 2. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. 162. So they have 162 total candies together. So this was an easy problem. So the main learning here was, the most important thing we learned is in the question number 2, where they have given 3 packages of fish food which was not fish. This was again a redundant information, right? Redundant information. So in third question as well, we figured out that 45 minutes is the redundant information they have given. So it was a good learning experience. Keep watching, subscribe to my channel and tap the bell so that you always get to know when I upload a new video on word problems or any other problem of mathematics. Thank you so much. Enjoy learning, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great time.